Today we're going to do a demo on how to use your Zepbound pin. If you were lucky enough that your insurance covers this or the coupon makes it affordable for you and you get to use the pin, this is a quick demo on how to use the pin. This is a demo pin, so it's a little bit different than what you will see, but the difference should just be this. I can recap mine. When you go to do your injection, make sure that you're injecting the correct month. Say your provider sends in 3 months at a time, that you're injecting the correct month that you're supposed to be injecting. Then you'll want to decide, where do you want to inject? Do you want to inject in the stomach? So it will be 2 inches away from the belly button. If you want to inject in the back of the arms or your thighs, just decide where you want to inject. You can clean the area with alcohol beforehand, or you don't have to, according to the World Health Organization. You will flip off the top. Yours will look a little bit different. This is what the demo pin looks like. Your pin should look close like this, but everything is enclosed, so you'll never actually see the needle. Once you've taken that off and you decided where you want to inject, go ahead and put it up towards where you're injecting. Say we'll inject in our stomach. Then you will take this off of lock. You can do it while you actually have it on here. And then you will hold down this purple button at the end. And then I'm just going to show you what happens. We're holding it down, and then you'll wait for the second click, and that's when the needle is actually retracting. So that's when you can actually pull it off the skin after you inject. I'll do that all in one motion now. We are going to have it on lock. Figure out where we want to inject. Put it against the skin. Put it on lock. Then we'll put it on unlock. Make sure that you have it against the skin like this, straight on, so it's making contact. And then you'll press the purple button, and then you'll wait for the second click, and that's when it's retracting, and then you can pull it off. It never fails that sometimes these pins malfunction, or maybe we had a user error, in which case that you would contact the manufacturer online, and they can usually help you with getting a new pin. I hope that this helps. Please let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to answer for you. Good luck.